We love Hakka
and I Hakka.
We love Hakka。现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
All right, welcome back to another edition of Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。其实最近好烦哦，那手机有时候会自己关机啊，然后会有时候荧幕也不能
换手机啊，换手机啊。
Yeah, you know what? Today I want to talk about a situation that I'm in actually for the last like 3 months already. 就是有时候这个手机会坏掉那样子，或关机或什么的。Okay, sometimes my cell phone will turn off on its own. It's a little bit unstable right now. Okay.
因为你的朋友太多，一天到晚亮亮亮。
这是手机科技就是这样子的。Okay. 有时候 sometimes how do you say that?
有丧事。
有丧事 Okay, that means sometimes. Like I said, 我的手机有时候会自己关机。Sometimes my cell phone would turn off on its own.
我的手机耶。
我的手機耶。
有丧事。
有喪事。
要去假。
要去假。
關貼。
關貼。
我的手機耶有喪事要去假關貼。
關貼 that means to turn off, all right?
關掉。
Yeah, and then your cell phone 這裡面手機叫做
手機耶。
手機耶 Okay, that means a hand phone actually. Okay, 手機耶。That's your cell phone. 那你要拿去修理了，可是有的时候会觉得要買新的啦，对不对？好，我们两个都来教
好啊。
可能对方会說，那你要拿去修理了，you gotta go get it repaired.
我拿去葬嘞。
我拿去葬嘞，葬嘞就把它埋
修理了啦，没有
埋葬起来算了，就丢了。哦，葬嘞是修理，是不是？
对，就是葬，就是修理啦。
Okay, 葬嘞 actually means to repair, to fix it. Okay, you should go get it fixed. But sometimes 真的修理费跟买一台新的可能差不多，
所以我就要买新的了。
Yeah, I'm just gonna go and buy a new one. All right, 我想要买新的。
我想要買新的。
我想要買新的。Okay. 新的就是新的啦，right? Okay, 要买嘛哈，買就是買 ，that means to buy a new one. 不过现在手机啊，哇，越来越贵。
对啊，买了马上又变旧的了。
还是我拿去修理好了。Yeah, let me go get it 葬嘞好了。Okay, that means to get it repaired because sometimes buying a new one is way too expensive now. All right, let's review some of these phrases such as your cell phone 手機，
手機耶，
手機耶 and then to turn off 關機，
關貼。
關貼 and then to fix or repair 修理
葬
and it's all about the phrase 有時候 sometimes
有喪事
有喪事所以最近如果不接你電話你知道了哈
就是自動關機了
對還沒換手機的意思Alright That does today's Practical Hakka
什麼太嘎
漢字 say 張來了
客家風情由客家委員會監製
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council